We have waited for a long time for this rain, and it's here finally. Yes! I just want to go out and dance in it. I mean, it's what, December 13th or 14th? And this is our first real rain for this year. Rain's just so relaxing. What is the weather like at your house? Oh, my plants are so happy. They're getting a drink of water. My lawn is so happy. All those trees out there are so happy. The walnut orchard. All right, you guys have a great day. What's the weather like where you live? This is Northern California and our first decent rain of the season.